What's going on, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. Now, some of the specifications that I'm about to talk about when it comes to this smartphone, stuff that I'm used to listing when it comes to flagship expensive devices that are on the market right now. So when this MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Ultra powered smartphone landed on my desk, the Xiaomi 11T, I was quite surprised by the end of it. And when it comes to things like battery life, processor performance, graphics performance, the camera as well as this display, I was pleasantly surprised. So let's take a deep dive and see what it's all about. In the box, you get a SIM ejector tool, a silicone case to keep your phone safe from drops, a quick start guide, a 67 watts charging brick, and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Of course, you get the Xiaomi 11T smartphone itself. It's unashamedly a Xiaomi device. This is the meteorite grey version. It comes in other colors as well, but this one comes in this brushed metal finish and it looks fantastic. Although it does attract a lot of fingerprints very easily, but you can easily wipe it or just put that case on it. It's got Corning Gorilla Glass Victors on the front and overall feels very sturdy and premium. On the left side of the device, there aren't any buttons, and on the right side is where everything is, like its power button. The power button is also a fingerprint sensor, so you can unlock your phone every time you power it on. On the bottom, there's a USB-C port, speaker, microphone, and a SIM card tray. There's no microSD card expansion here though. And up top is a speaker, microphone, and IR blaster, which is interesting to see on a smartphone in 2021. On the back, you have some Xiaomi branding and a 5G label, but there's also a triple camera setup featuring a 108 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 5 megapixel triple camera array. More on this later. On the front, you have your earpiece up top and a punch hole camera at 16 megapixel front facing. The display itself is a 6.67 inch AMOLED panel running at 120 Hz with 1000 nits peak brightness. This is a 2400 by 1080, so Full HD Plus display with 395 ppi, great for watching movies even when in bright conditions. And it also supports HDR10+. And combine that with Dolby Audio, then you have a device that can deliver an immersive experience that's enjoyable. When it comes to the display's fluidity for scrolling and more so gaming, you get a 480 Hz sampling rate and a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz as mentioned earlier. You can step it down to 60 Hz if you don't find it useful for your daily use. Under this metal frame and glass, there's a 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and at least 128 GB of UFS 3.1 flash storage. You can also get the 256 GB version if you need more storage space for your pictures and videos. It has a huge 5000 mAh battery inside, and thanks to that included 67 watts charger, you'll be able to get the 11T's battery from 0% to 100% in a brisk 36 minutes. More on that camera. There's a 108 megapixel wide angle camera at f1.75 aperture with pixel binning. You have an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera that delivers 120 degrees field of view and f2.2 aperture, and the third 5 megapixel telemacro camera with f2.4 aperture. This is telemacro because you can also use it for macro photography. In reality, it captures great images, and when it comes to low light, you have night mode to help you capture some great shots. For video, you can shoot 720p at 30 frames per second and all the way up to 4K at 30 frames per second. If you need to shoot 60 frames per second, then you will need to shoot in 1080p. 108 megapixel mode is available in the More section of the camera menu, and there's also a Pro mode as well. Portrait mode also performs really well too, with the option to tweak the level of blur after the fact. In video mode, you can switch on the AI camera to help you create some cinematic videos or content. The Xiaomi 11T's performance is down to its processor though. It's rocking MediaTek's Dimensity 1200 Ultra, which offers excellent AI performance that you can see across the board. When you're gaming or capturing content, it's there to make sure you have the best experience possible. Even when under a heavy load, it stays cool thanks to its efficiency cores and the use of a vapor chamber cooling technology. The Dimensity 1200 Ultra is a 6nm chipset with 3 GHz CPU and ARM A78 core. The octa-core CPU design is fueled by powerful quad-channel memory and a dual-channel UFS 3.1 storage with up to 1.7 GB per second data throughput and ultra-responsive input-output. When it comes to gaming, its high FPS gaming capability is powered by the MediaTek HyperEngine 3.0 gaming technology. This innovative technology has been enhanced for the 5G era and offers finely tuned, reliable connectivity features with ray trace graphics capabilities, resulting in incredible performance, improvements to power efficiency, with even greater savings in key areas. As a package, you get one A78 based ultra core at up to 3 GHz, 3 A78 based super cores at up to 2.6 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores which are A55 based at up to 2 GHz. And for graphics, you get a 9-core ARM Mali GPU at up to 886 MHz. In summary, the 11T is designed so that you get a flagship level of experience when it comes to the processor performance, graphics performance, battery life, how cool it stays under heavy use, and display quality, thanks to the use of MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Ultra. So, like I said, this smartphone, the 11T, the Xiaomi 11T, is packing a lot of great features, a lot of great performance and spec for the price that you're paying for this. So it's got loads of flagship level of performance and specifications. Over to you though, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, drop them there as well. I'll do my best to answer those. But in the meantime, I'll leave all relevant links in the description area so you can do further research of your own. If this is your first time around here, please do subscribe and smash the bell notification so every time there's a video like this up on the channel, you get notified. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.